Happy Monday, 5th period. I can't wait to see you guys this week. On Monday's asynchronous day, you are going to go on to Big Ideas, log into Big Ideas. You're going to complete the assignment 6.1. Please remember that there's tutors that can help you with the problems if you don't know how to do them. You can also look back at your notes. You can check your work, I think up to 6 times. I think I gave you 6 work checks available on that assignment. So take your time and do that. Make sure you take a picture of your work and submit your report at the end after you've submitted it. Make sure you take a picture of your report and attach it to the assignment on Google Classroom. On Tuesday, you are with me. We're going to take some notes on integers and absolute value. Wednesday, you're not with me, but you're going to watch a video and play a game on absolute value. On Thursday, you're not with me, and you're going to do another Big Ideas assignment. And then on Friday, you're with me, and we're going to learn all about the coordinate plane and how to graph negative and positive coordinate pairs or integer pairs on the coordinate plane. It'll be a lot of fun. Make sure you come to class and make sure you do your work on your asynchronous days.